diamond painting friends, Jessica here with Tiny Worlds of Wonder, stopping in to share the last of my kind of pre-Christmas and Christmas canvas backlog. So I've had such a giant stack of unboxings to show you here on the channel. This is the last one, and this one is so extra special to me, you guys, because this is a canvas that I actually got for Christmas from Robyn, and I'm just having this overwhelming moment of gratitude right at the moment. This one is so special to me. Robyn, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I am so excited about this piece. So here's the story on how this canvas came to be. I have a wonderful viewer named Denzel, hi Denzel, who emailed me ages ago and said, you know, I think this canvas from Mucha would make a glorious diamond painting. I love it when you guys send me artist suggestions, and it really helps to know what people are really interested in. So huge thanks to Denzel for that. These things always take a long time to come to fruition between working out all of the things, the production things, all the things that I don't have to do, that Robyn has to do. And to be honest, before this canvas appeared, I had no idea that it was coming. And so when it appeared under my Christmas tree, it was just even that much more special to me. So Denzel, here it is. Robyn, huge thanks on so many levels, This is so amazing and special. So let's take a peek at it. This is a piece of art that Mucha created in 1896. This canvas, or this piece of art, was created actually as a cigarette advertisement. You know, I'm not a smoker myself. I encourage people to have healthy habits, but you guys are adults and you can decide for yourselves on everything. And I just thought this piece of art was so cool. It's so cool. Oh my gosh, Robyn, I'm so excited. I love it so much. So as you guys know, Art Nouveau is probably my favorite art style. Pre-Raphaelite and Art Nouveau, you know, they're a little Eurocentric. That's the problem with them that I can see, but just the style of the portraiture and the outlining and the hair, I just love. So look at her beautiful hair. This is ginormous. This is a 62 by 86 centimeter canvas. Oh my word. Oh my word. Let me keep scrolling down. I'm gonna unroll this like a scroll from top to bottom. Look at how glorious. So this has such a cool, truly Art Deco-esque border with this geometric pattern. There's another geometric pattern in the background, and the smoke from her cigarette down here kind of swirls all the way around. I think this is so classy. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. I'm delighted. Thank you, Robyn. Oh my gosh. Here's the artist, Mucha, 1896. That's really awesome. I heard something fall and it was my toolkit. So I'll show you what comes in one of these. Sometimes I forget to even show you the toolkit or even talk about it, because I figure a lot of you guys are experienced, but maybe not all of you. So if you're new, welcome, great to see you. So we have a tray, some pink wax, and a plain blue pen with no multi-placer. I can't read Robyn's mind, but I sort of feel like maybe a lot of the people who purchase her canvases are people like me who have 8,000 kits collected, and so keeping it simple works for us, you know? Really does. So we have our inventory sheet. This one has 40 colors. Like I said, it's a 60 by 86 round. We have our usual little bit about distracted by diamonds over there. I can't stop looking at it. Her hair is just magical. Oh my gosh. This turned out so well. So well. I'm gonna flip this over. We'll get a nice blank background and we'll take a peek here. Look at these stunning oranges. I think I know what color her hair is gonna be. The redhead trend in the late 1800s was really strong. If you guys have noticed in a lot of pre-Raphaelite art, it's a lot of white girls with red hair. Yes, it was. Yes, it was. Look at those beautiful auburns. Beautiful. Red hair is beautiful. It really is. So a lot of burnt oranges. Those are gorgeous. some kind of pink shades. I've noticed the pink shades go in red hair pretty often. Some more shades of yellow, orange, purple, a whole lot of purple as you would expect. Some greens as you would expect since those big letters across the top are green. That's going to be fun. Some yellows. That'll be fun. Some reds. And a little bit of 310. Not a ton of 310. All right, I want to see where some of these go. I know I'm going to love this. I'm 100% positive. The printing on this canvas looks, there is a number 6 that is a black symbol on a darker purple. I can read it just fine with my bare eyes, but I have pretty decent vision. So that might be a symbol to watch out for. I'll show you a close-up and you guys can decide. All right, so charted colors here are going to be 3855 and 3825 and 3827. Okay, so those are the main skin tones on her face that I can see. And yeah, she's got a little touch of yellow, but some people are warm, some people are cool. So there we go. That's what's going on there. I think it's going to be really pretty. Of course, I'll keep you posted as I work this up. Of course I will. I'm going to be posting pictures of this canvas every 5 minutes when I start it. I know that for sure. Oh my word. This is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So there's a little something I want to tell you guys. As you know, I work on licensing for diamond paintings, and one company that I work with is Distracted by Diamonds. If you guys would like to submit some special requests for art or artists, or if you're an artist yourself and you're interested in having your artwork represented in diamond painting, would you send an email to artfordiamondpaintings@gmail.com. All suggestions are welcome. All artists are welcome to apply. Any genre. Every company has a particular vibe that they tend to roll with in the art they select, but new things are always, always appreciated. That's going to be an email address that is directed right to Robyn. Now, of course, we can't promise that if you send something to that email address that your art will become a diamond painting or that your suggestion will become a diamond painting, because there are a lot of factors involved. So does the artwork render well in diamond painting? Does it look like it's marketable? Does it look like it has a wide enough appeal? Is the artist interested in licensing the art after you suggest it? And all of those things are factors that may or may not play into having that art turn up in an actual diamond painting. So bear that in mind when you make your suggestions, but Robyn would love to hear some art and artists that you would really love to see. And if you're an artist, she would love to talk to you to see if your work is just right for Distracted by Diamonds. So I'll put that email address up on the screen again. As always, I'll take you out for a long view on this canvas so you can revel in its glory with me, because I am so excited. Robyn, thank you from the bottom of my heart. This is such a beautiful, special Christmas gift, and knowing the history on this one makes it even more special, and knowing how much I love Mucha. So thank you so much. Thanks to all of you for watching. Have a wonderful week. Spread some joy wherever you are, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.